Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about the logo and tagline competition for the Passport Seva program. So it was launched on the My Government Do page. This is a new competition. The deadline is announced as January 21, 2021. So next year, January 21 is the last day to submit the logo and tagline. So you all know that the Digital India was launched by was addressed by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi at the Mann Ki Baat May delivery. Mann Ki Baat May program. So the Passport Seva program PSP under the PSP division Ministry of External Affairs is an ambitious mission. It's an ambitious mission. So the most successful program delivering passport related services to the citizens in India and India this diaspora living outside the country. So PSP division Ministry of External Affairs proposes to enter logo and tagline to the Passport Seva program by inviting entries through an open contest. So to better understand, you can go through the link. I will give the link in the description. You can go through the passport. You can know more details about the Passport Seva program PSP. So the best entry tagline contest. Each tagline and the logo will receive a cash prize of rupees 25,000. And already I said the last date of submission of your entry is 21 January 2021. So let us see about the terms and conditions which are mentioned here in the PDF. I think so. I will give this link also in the description. You can go and check. So let us see about the terms and conditions and the evaluation criteria. So friends, here are the terms and conditions for the tagline and logo design competition for Passport Seva program terms and conditions. So the contest is open to Indian nationals only. So only Indian national citizens can participate in this competition. So all entries must be submitted in the My Government page. You know that. So other medium entries submitted through any other medium or mode will not be considered for evaluation. Only through My Government in this competition page. Through you have to submit only your entry to the competition page. Other mode or medium will not be accepted. So it should be your own copyrighted content. The image of the logo and the tagline should be your own copyright content, which means you should be the owner of your tagline. So the suggested name and logo will be the copyright. It should obey the Copyright Act of 1957. The entry must not contain any provocative, objectionable or inappropriate content. It should only, if you are designing the logo, it should only reflect the theme of Passport Seva program, which is this competition. So also the tagline also should represent only the theme, not any other provocative or like inappropriate content, not out of the theme. So it should be conceptualized by the same person who has designed the name and the logo. So if you are designing the logo, you should be the person who has designed it, which means you should be the person who has really build up those ideas and finish the logo. So anyone found infringing on others' copyright would be disqualified from the contest. So if you found infringing on others, which means you are just copy pasting others, you will be like disqualified from the competition. So the employees MEA, so these are the contest employees should not participate. That is separate terms and conditions. So let us see here. The participant should ensure that his or her profile. This is an important point which will be like given in every single competition of the My Government competition. So the name, photo, country declaration, email ID, phone number, postal address, etc. Contest organizers may also ask participants for any profile related details or further information. Entries with incomplete profiles would not be considered. So this is an important point. Note this, because entries with incomplete profiles would not be considered. So make sure to mention your country declaration, means is nothing but your email ID and phone number, postal address, etc. Also you can just mention your name. So these are the things you have to, you can update your My Government profile as well as you have to do those things. Okay, so by registering for participating in the contest, the participant warrant that they have compiled the terms and conditions. So by registering for the competition, you actually mean to accept these four terms and conditions. The entry for name and logo is original. The entry for name and logo does not infringe any intellectual property rights for any third party. So by registering in the contest, you accept these four things. It's four things. So PSP division is the authority, they hold the authority, they can change any terms and conditions if they wish. So entries must be submitted by the closing date. Failure to do so will result in disqualification, because the competition will end will not be available after January 21. Multiple submissions of entries by the same participant would not be considered. So if you submit multiple entries, any of your entries will not be considered. So totally you will be disqualified. So the results of the contest should be declared on My Government portal, My Government blog. You know all that My Government blog. You can check regularly about the results. We will also update in our channel. So the tentative date of declaration of the result for the contest is within 4 weeks from the date of publishing. It has given like 1 month, within a span of 1 month, declaration of the result for the contest. It's like, I think so, before February 21 you will be getting the result. The contest is open to general public. There is no restriction on the participation size. So any team or like individual can participate. It is open to the general public. So the evaluation criteria, the design of the logo should reflect creativity, uniqueness and vibrancy. It is the theme. It should reflect creativity, uniqueness as well as vibrancy. You have to reflect these three things in main. Each entry must be accompanied by a brief explanation, which means if you are participating in the logo, if you are submitting logo, it should accompany about a brief essence of instant messaging system, design of the logo and how does it communicate, and the essence of instant messaging system. So everything you should mention. The logo should be usable on website, mobile app, social media, Twitter, Facebook, like social media apps, every social media apps, commercial hoardings and pamphlets. The logo shall be in PSD. These 5 formats have been allowed. In these 5 formats you can submit in any format your PDF. So the words, if you are mentioning any words or phrases in the logo, it should only be in English or either Hindi. So the name suggested may be in any language. All the entries received by the PSP division, it would be assessed by the screening committee. Selection committee is the final evaluation. They will evaluate how close the passport seva, how close it reflects the passport seva program. The decision of the selection committee would be the final thing, and they will announce the result. I think so. It's this. As of mentioned here, it's like February 21. Within 4 weeks, it is like February 21. Maybe the dates may be changed. So let us wait and see about the results. But you can participate in this exciting competition. Let us see about how to participate in this competition. So friends, if you see here, I have participated in this. I have logged in the competition. Here a login to participate button appears, and I have clicked that. I have logged in using my Gmail ID. If you are new to the My Government page, you should actually register your name, details, photo, everything you should give. And also if you are updated your My Government profile, it's been long time updated your My Government profile, you should go here and update your My Government, your photo, your details and your postal address, everything you should update. So now here in this competition page we have how to participate. You may have a doubt that how to participate. Here, do this task now box appears, like orange box it appears. So click this, do this task now. It will just turn into green box, like do box. It will just turn into do box. You have successfully accepted the task logo and tagline for passport seva program. By accepting, a comment section appears actually. Here only you have to submit your logo or tagline. You can submit your tagline in PDF or here as a comment, but you have to mention in double quotation, quotes, in double quotes. And here if you give save, you can save, which means you can submit your entry. Actually before saving, make sure you have mentioned all your details here. If you are participating in logo, make sure you have written a brief explanation. Within 500 words you should explain brief explanation, and you can give your details also. So you can see your submissions. Actually I haven't submitted anything. It just tells my submissions. Actually you can submit only one entry, so don't think that you can submit multiple entries by this plural form. So friends, okay, thank you. Participate in this competition, exciting competition, new competition, logo and tagline contest. There is many logo and tagline contest which have been finished, and I know you are waiting for results. The results will be soon. Participate in this competition. Is an exciting competition. Share this video with your friends who are interested in designing logos and making taglines like slogans. Share this video with them and subscribe to our channel for more information like this. Keep supporting us, friends. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video, friends. Thank you.